We're back at Animal Kingdom. You see the tree back there. Oh yeah.
So we don't fall apart.
Did you know it's tough? It's tough to be a bug, especially here at the Animal Kingdom, because there's a lot of people and they might get stepped on. I think that's why it's tough to be a bug. I absolutely love this view of the Tree of Life as you're walking into It's Tough to Be a Bug. I hate this show.
I love this show.
You love the show? I hate the 4D part of this show.
I love the 4D part of this show.
Only the part where like it starts poking me in the back and stuff like that. Freaks me out a little bit. Freaks me out.
Go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, now you're all honorary bugs, so on with the show. Stop us. Ha! Nothing!
Welcome to Pandora, the world of Avatar. Love this place. To my favorite place to eat in Animal Kingdom, Satuli Canteen. I love this place. These are amazing. They are cheeseburger pods and like some coleslaw type stuff. And these are really, really good chips.
It's my favorite thing here.
They're really, really good. Yummy. And by the way, you guys need to do mobile ordering because you see that line right over there behind that wall that goes all the way back there. That's the regular line. It goes out the door. Out the door. I did mobile ordering, literally said I was here when I walked in the Pandora, and then walked in, literally got my food and sat down. No waiting whatsoever. So you guys really need to do mobile ordering. Really, really worth it. So we just ate our lunch at Satuli Canteen. I always want to mispronounce that. I love that place. It's one of my favorite places to eat in all of the Disney World. Highly recommend it. And now for Festival of the Lion King. I love this show. Really do. Really do.
Everyone, Amari, welcome. We have been expecting you. We are here today to welcome you, one and all, to the Festival of the Lion King. We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this tribal celebration.
By your face, the
She got
justice.
picked.
Very good, and now make us. My turn, I'm next. This is Abby from Winter Haven, and she's gonna show us what sound a giraffe makes. Okay, go.
Bye.
That was perfect! That was wonderful! For those of you who didn't know, giraffes make a low bleating sound like a sheep. So, get your giraffe neck all the way up in the air. Everyone, giraffe necks up in the air and bleat! And there you have giraffe.
Very well then. Now that you know your animal sounds, I think we're...
The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. I want quiet. Thank you. So, where you from? Yikes! Let's get out of here!
Be prepared for the murkiest scare.
There's a calm surrender. It's living Can you feel her love? I'll take you right on the planet. Step into the sun. Circle around, and you lose the sight through this battle. You hear you say.
Your section will do the wing wings, and the whip take care of the Observe.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. Oh, wait, no, that's the wrong park. Wrong park. Sorry. I know we haven't done very many Disney vlogs lately, but that's because we haven't been to Disney. Because of different things that happened. We might talk about them, we might not talk about them. I don't know. But right now, we're headed to Finding Nemo, the musical.
Fisher friends.
Fisher friends.
Not friends. We have long shouted. When I shall Sunday. When I can fish our friends, not food.
rabbits that usually are flying up in the air at this point, they're not doing it now. I don't know if this happened after the refurb thing that they did like last month.
But you have to
I don't know.
listen to me.
Travel far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Go with the flow. Go with the
Squirt's supposed to fly right here too, but he's not. So we just got done with the Finding Nemo the musical. They've changed quite a bit of stuff. There's nobody flying anymore, like swimming / flying on the ropes anymore. You know, I thought it was just going to be Marlin and Dory, but Squirt didn't fly either, or swim, or whatever. He didn't hang from the strings, and it's a different costume as well than when he did hang from the strings and do his flipping and stuff like that. He doesn't do it anymore. So I know they just closed it down. I think today is the first day it reopened. I think it was closed on the 4th till today. I don't know why they did it. I don't know if something happened and that's why they don't do it anymore. But if you know, let me know in the comments below on why they don't do that anymore. So this thing right here, it's a clip onto a bendy little thing that holds my phone for them to watch, like in the lines and stuff like that. Every person with the stroller looks at me and says, "Where in the world did you get that?" I'm going to put a link to this. It's only like $7 on Amazon, so I'll put a link to it where I got it in the description, because it's a lifesaver. I'm just gonna let you know, it's a lifesaver. For even if it's a single stroller, it's a lifesaver. This is one of the reasons I love Animal Kingdom, because of all the live entertainment that they have here.
Come on, you guys can sing that along with us. Here we go. Come on. Oh, I can't hear you guys singing. I know you can sing. We can sing. Everybody can sing. Let's do it together. Here we go.
So because we've been here so long, I think I'm going to turn this into 2 parts. And give you guys a little bit more than I would usually record, just because, you know, we haven't had Disney time in so long. It's only been 2 weeks, but still, that's a long time. We usually come every week. So stay tuned for part 2. So we are headed home now. It's been a very long day, very fun day. Right?
Yeah! Yep.
Right. She always yells when I ask a question like that. I don't know why. Anyway, so we're headed home now. We will see you guys next time. And remember, to live your adventure. Bye-bye.